Welcome to our channel, where we're going to unlock the secret to creating viral shorts that get massive attention. In this video, we'll reveal the code to crafting captivating content that spreads like wildfire across the internet. So, let's jump right into it. Firstly, it all begins with a strong hook. You need to grab your viewers' attention right from the start. Use an intriguing thumbnail and a catchy title to create curiosity and entice them to click. Once you have their attention, keep it by delivering content that is fresh, unique, and unexpected. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and experiment with different formats and styles. Remember, being different is often what separates viral success from oblivion. Next, keep your shorts concise yet impactful. Limit your video's duration to ensure that it can be easily consumed and shared. Focus on telling a story quickly and engagingly, leaving your viewers wanting more. Now, here's the secret ingredient: emotion. People love content that elicits strong emotions, whether it's laughter, awe, inspiration, or empathy. Tap into these emotions by crafting content that strikes a chord with your audience. And finally, never underestimate the power of a call to action. Encourage your viewers to like, share, and follow your channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a community around your content. By cracking the code and following these essential steps, your shorts will be primed for viral success. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support.